Hi, Amanda Heath here, Thriving Artist Business School, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about something you might think is really boring: systems for you as an artist. Now, you think it's boring, but actually you cannot make consistent and profitable art sales without systems, so stick around for this video. Okay, so systems, yes, they don't sound particularly sexy. They sound very dull indeed. But without systems, we cannot scale our business and sell more and more. We can't provide a great service for our customers, or it's much more difficult to. And also, we don't have as much time in the studio on our creative practice. So all in all, it's really important to have systems, because without them, what we tend to do is we create work, we put it on our website, we sit back and, we may do a few social media posts, but ultimately we're kind of just hoping that somebody will see the work, notice it, like it, buy it, and then when they do, we then deal with the individual sales. We tell our customers about the shipping, when to expect it, etc. And we're dealing with things individually and manually, and that is really time consuming. It also means that we can only deal with a couple of sales or clients at any one time. As soon as you start getting up to 5, 6, 7 sales, then things get really hectic. There's lots of emails, we're trying to process the sales, we're trying to stay in touch with the customer, and we're also forgetting about the fact that we need to be generating interest for next month's business. So without systems, our business will really struggle. We become exhausted, we burn out, and we cannot sell more art. So basically, one of the things a lot of people initially don't realize with business is that selling, a lot of it is a numbers game. So if you can get your artwork in front of enough of the right people, and you're presenting it beautifully and it's high quality work, obviously, then that is when it will sell. If you're only getting it in front of a few people, then the chances are, just literally because of numbers, they may not be the right people, or it may not be the right time. So what we want to do is introduce systems in our business, and a lot of these can be automated as well, which is even better, to put your work in front of a lot more people, and the right people as well, the people that are likely to buy. We want systems that will bring some of those people off the internet and off social media onto your email list, so that you can build a connection with them, because a lot of people don't buy first time. They need to know you a little bit more, they need to trust you, and they need to know a little bit about how you work and what you have to offer. So you can do that if they're on your mailing list. We also want systems in place for actually making offers to our email list and to our audience as a whole. We want systems for dealing with sales, the aftercare in the sales, to make sure people had a great experience, collecting testimonials, and also things like re-engaging old customers, because that is much easier to re-engage an old customer than it is to win a new one. So all of these things in our business can be systemized, and if we're not doing it, we're missing a huge opportunity, because we're playing small and we're dealing with individual sales, individual numbers. And when we start to go bigger and we systemize it and scale it, that's when we can really make a big impact as an artist. So remember, systems in your business will help you scale, i.e. make more sales. They will help you provide a better service to your customers, to your audience, and they will give you more time in the studio doing exactly what it is you love, and that is creating. So hopefully that was useful for you and informative and triggered a few little thoughts. If you'd like more info, I have a free masterclass, the 4 key steps to selling art consistently and profitably. And in that masterclass, it's totally free, I go into the 3 biggest mistakes I see artists make when they are setting up your business and trying to make those sales. So hopefully you can make that. The link will be somewhere around this video, so do click and register and join. All right, that's all from me for today.